Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Today we are going to draw NFL superstar wide receiver for the Dallas Cowboys, Ceedee Lamb. Real name, Cedarian De Leon Lamb, better known as Ceedee Lamb. We've gotten a lot of requests for Ceedee Lamb. Ceedee Lamb is the wide receiver for the Dallas Cowboys, played college football for the Oklahoma Sooners, and was drafted 17th pick in the 2020 draft by the Cowboys. So let's get started. Find your middle of the page here. Middle of the page, we'll draw Ceedee Lamb's cartoon style head up here. We're gonna start with a black marker, pointed tip right here. And let's get started. We'll draw the jaw right here. So go down. There we go. So we went down to a point, over and up. Draw a couple of ears that pop out. The hairline goes up, goes in, up, around, connect. All right, so there's the facial structure for Ceedee Lamb. Let's do the neck real quick. Come down here. Two lines, and we're gonna do a couple of, this guy was wearing this chain, so I'm gonna draw these circles to represent a gold necklace, and below those circles we'll do a point. All right, cool. So let's draw the hair. So up here we'll do, let's zoom out just a little bit here so you can see a little bit better. Up on top, we'll do a kind of a bump down. He's got these long dreadlocks that kind of go behind the neck there. Do the same thing over here. We got a bump, come around. Maybe one flips out like that. Maybe one goes down like that. These are the dreadlocks of Ceedee Lamb. There we go. There's the outline of Ceedee Lamb's head. Cool, so let's draw these shoulder pads. They gotta fit below and underneath these dreadlocks. So, let's say one's right there. His shoulder comes down. Angle. Angle. Down to the waist. Straight across. Up. Okay. We're gonna do a little, sometimes his belly is showing, belly button, and the pants right here. 1, 2 legs. He's a wide receiver, so he's got skinnier, kind of longer legs, longer ankles. 1, 2, 1, 2, arch, arch. Okay, we're gonna do the big shoes right now. We like to draw our athletic characters, our sports characters with oversized features, just like kind of a Funko Pop style or just a cartoon style. So here's the tongue of the cleat. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Over here, big clown shoe. Straight across. And connect to the ankle. Okay. On the other side, bring that ankle down, straight across. There we go. Looking good. All right, right here we're gonna do a football shape. So big, oversized football. Football shape, come down and connect. Doesn't have to be perfect. Never is, right? Let's do 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's a thumb and the 4 fingers holding onto that football. And behind this dreadlock, we'll do a arm. So this bicep, and then elbow comes down and into the football. Into the football. All right. Over here, we'll just have his arm come down. Nothing doing. Nothing spectacular, basically just bicep, arm out. So we got the elbow. We'll do his hand, one finger, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's kind of an ugly looking hand. I apologize, but hey, nothing's ever perfect. Sorry about that. So we'll do a couple lines here. This will be a blue sleeve. All right, so let's come up here, switch over to Ceedee Lamb's face. We're gonna do a circle for an eye. Come over here, follow this circle, roughly the same size. Inside we'll do another circle. Over here we'll do a smaller circle, and this arch. We'll color this area in with our black marker. Leave those small circles white because those are the highlights for the eyes that bring our characters to life. Okay? Alrighty, cool. And we will, just like we do, we're gonna get a light baby blue marker really fast. I like to use baby blue and color in this area just to add some interest to our drawing. This basically represents the reflection of the stadium lights in Cowboy Stadium. Plus it adds a little color, makes it pop a little bit. All right, so let's do, Ceedee Lamb's got these like perfect eyebrows that he's probably trimmed a little bit. So they come down to a point, color those in. So go straight and then down to a point, up, over, down to a point, color them in. Alrighty, and now his nose, we're gonna do just like so. So it's this, it's kind of looks like a bird, so curve down and over. Color in those nostrils right there. Now let's do his mouth. That's where the lip's gonna connect, so we'll do down, up, down, up. Okay. I'm gonna connect this lip. Just kind of follow it. Alrighty. He's got this chin. He's got this small little chin beard going on. Nothing big, but just a little bit. And then he's got this little mustache that follows his mouth, his lip shape. So we'll color those in right now. Maybe extend that out a little bit. Make some nostrils. Cool. Now, let's do, he's actually got a couple of, I'm gonna get a dark brown flesh color. He's got these earrings he always wears, so I'm gonna do a circle and color around those circles, leaving the earrings visible. So a circle and another circle. Leave those earrings white, color in those ears with the brown there. All right. So, let's quickly get a Dallas Cowboys blue. Dark blue marker pointed right here. We'll do we'll do the 88. He's number 88, so we're gonna go straight over. So that's the top of the 8. Come down, in. If you need to pause or hit slow motion, you can do that to help you draw these 88s. Sometimes they're hard. Angle in, straight over, angle up, straight up, angle in, angle out, and straight up. Now inside, these are just squares. So just draw a square, just draw a square, try to keep them the same size if you can. If it's not perfect, it's okay. Draw it again or don't worry about it. Okay, there's the 88. Right here we got a blue stripe that comes down. Another blue stripe that comes down. Same thing over here, blue stripe on the side of the pants. Blue stripe on the side of the pants. Leave that white. We're gonna leave that white down there. We're gonna color these socks blue. And the bottom of the socks blue. Okay. Most of this will color in fast forward, but I just want to block it in right now, show you what's going on. Up here on the sleeves, Dallas Cowboys have these stripes, so go down, square, up. It hides behind the hair, so we'll color that, leave the hair. Let's do another one. Come down, over, and up into the hair. Color around those dreadlocks that you made on the shoulders. Let's do another one over here. Down, straight, up. Color those in blue. Let us know what you think of the Ceedee Lamb drawing in the comments. If you like the Cowboys, let us know. If you like Ceedee Lamb, let us know. It's always fun to hear who you guys want to draw. Feel free to request some players, see if we can put them on our list. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know that you like these drawings, or you like drawing with us, or what else we can do better. We love hearing from our fans. And that's Ceedee Lamb. And right here we've got, don't forget to do get a yellow. And he's got this dreadlock right here that's kind of bleached. So we're gonna leave this dreadlock kind of going up. Start small, and it gets bigger. I'm gonna color this in yellow. He's got another one over here. Let's say it's this guy. Curve. Okay, so watch for this in fast forward. We're gonna color these stripes yellow, black hair, flesh color, football, leave the jersey white, blue shoes, and we had fun drawing Ceedee Lamb. I think this one turned out great. Thanks for the request. We had several requests for Ceedee Lamb. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know who else we can draw. Thanks for joining us. Fast forward.